We detected unusual options activity on Truist Financial, also known as Truist Bank, ticker symbol TFC. So in this video, we will analyze these unusual options that happened just 2 trading days ago on this day, January 24. You can see that we are still trading at the $37 price level. So it has not really moved much ever since January 24. And so these options are still quite relevant because the prices are still about the same. And if you've been following this channel, you know that these unusual options are representing the trades of potentially insiders or wealthy investors. So this is what the trade is. January 24 happened for the March 15, 2024 option cycle. 42.5 strike calls. You can see 11,500 contracts for the volume on January 24. Clearly opening trades since much greater than the open interest of 1,051. And so they were paying $21 for each of these call options at the 42.5 strike calls. So what is that total value? 21 times 11,500 contracts is about $241,000. So when we take a look at the chain for the March 15s, you can see that currently they are still going for about that price, 22. Potentially can get them for $21 because it's the mid price, so could maybe even get them for $20, right? So because the price has not moved since January 24 very much, we are simply also following this and in the same position on these 42.5 strike calls, because as you may know, if the trade value does not exceed $1 million, we don't consider this a very high probability of profit trade. And so we simply follow the trade without having to develop our own option strategy and without having to position size very much, because most of our capital is traded on the high probability of profit trades. And so this is not considered that, although it is still skewed towards the bullish side, as you can see here. It is a bullish long trade here with a positive 12 delta for each call option. So we know that this trader is bullish because these call options will be profitable if it goes up. And so based on this analysis, this trade is bullish. And so that is what we are doing, but it is not high probability of profit in comparison to our trades that we share with our members on our website. And if you want to learn more on those stock picks that we have, we'll put a link here where those $1 million trades have a lot higher chance of profiting, and as well as other variables as well that gives us a higher level of confidence. So we put a lot more money into the initial trade. So we position size a lot more than a trade like this one here.